So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna hop straight into the tutorial. I'm gonna start off by taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean. I'm just gonna apply that to my eyelid. With this product, a little dew does go a long way. So I will tell you guys to be careful. As you will see when I spread the product out, it did kind of get a little messy. So I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, just a plain eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to spread that out. And like I said, as you see, a little does go a long way. I didn't even need as much as I put on my eyelid. And I only want to blend it on my eyelid. I don't want to take it up to the crease because it is black and it is creamy eyeshadow. So eyeliner. So it can get messy really fast if you're not careful. But now that I've spreaded that out, I'm going to go in with the blending brush and my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take these two brown shades right here. I forgot their names, but it will be down in the description box. And I'm going to pack those two colors in my crease and use it to blend out the eyeliner that we placed down. And I'm only using it to blend out the edges, so it doesn't have to be completely perfect because we will go in with another color. So now that I have blended that out, I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush and I'm just going to take that brown eyeshadow. At first I was kind of indecisive, but yeah, I'm going with that brown eyeshadow and use that to blend out the two colors that we put in our crease. So now it is time to take the same eyeshadow brush and take the black eyeshadow out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this to apply all over the lid, and I'm putting it on top, directly on top of that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Now it is time for sparkles. So I'm going to go in with the glitter. I forgot the name of the glitter, but I will have it down in the description box. And I'm just going to take a clear slash white eyelash adhesive that I got out of Walmart for like 2 for $1. I get the cheap kind just to apply my glitters because I feel like they do help stick, and I'm not going to spend a lot of money on an eyelash glue when I could just get a cheap one that works just as good. So I just put a few dots, and I start off in sections instead of putting the glue all over my lid, excuse me, and then applying the glitter. They're gonna be talking to my mama. That's why I had to make this video a voiceover. But yeah, working in sections just really do help. And like I said, your glue won't dry out as quick and you won't find yourself trying to hurry and put all your glitter on before the glue dries out. So there I go again, just working in sections. Like I say, you can take your time, just work in sections and go at your own pace. So now it's time for lashes and mascara. I'm using my lashes from Glam 98. And for mascara, I'm going in with my favorite, the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So now I am back. I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to go in with that black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to use that to water my waterline. I forgot to insert the clip, but I did take some of that brown eyeshadow, the last one that we used, and I just applied it to my lower lash line first. And then I'm applying the black eyeshadow to my waterline. As you can see, my eyes are starting to water up bad. They always water up when I get ready to do that. So you guys are finna see me do a little hack that I love to use. So when you have watering eyes, if you just take a Q-tip and stick it in your tear duct, don't poke yourself in the eye, and just turn your head over, the water will absorb in the Q-tip and your eyes won't be running and mess up your makeup. So that's just a little hack that I like to use. That's why I always like to keep Q-tips on hand with me for not only me but also for my clients. So now that we have applied our eyeliner, there goes me with my little Q-tip again. I'm just going to press together my lashes just to make sure that everything blends properly and there are no gaps that you can see. And look at me, honey, sitting there posing. So now I'm going to go in with that same mascara and add it to my bottom lashes. Now it's time to highlight, so I will be spraying my face first with the Black Radiance setting spray. I forgot which one exactly it is because they have like 3 or 4 and I love them all. I have tried them all. And now for highlighter, I'm going to go into my Carly Bible palette, my fave, and I'm going to take that, yeah, close right in my face. I'm going to take that gold highlighter and I am going to just highlight all the parts of my face that I usually highlight. I also like to spray my brush first. It just makes the highlighter look more skin-like, more glow within. So yeah, just for a heads up, I did forget to film my intro and my outro to this video. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was too excited about this makeup look and was ready to hurry up and take pictures and everything. But yeah, so at the end I did include a snippet video from my Snapchat that I had took, just showing you guys the full look. So I hope you guys like it, and I will have my social medias down below so we can interact on other social media sites. I would love to talk to you guys and meet you guys and, you know, just talk about other things. Maybe new videos that I can record, things that you guys would like to see, because I do want to stretch more from just makeup. So hopefully those videos will be coming to you guys soon. I also did do my hair, so if you do want a tutorial on that, please let me know. They are just some chunky butt length passion twists. But yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial.